my friends! Are you ready to write a fantasy story with me? Okay then, we need to have characters, settings, plot, conflict, and theme. Now here are the characters to choose from. A cute blue robot, a giant ant, or a pink elephant. The settings to choose from are a wild, colorful jungle, a sandy beach, or the outer space. Oh, the main character has a serious problem that we shall find a way to solve it. Oh, the problem is so difficult to solve. No problems, we are very creative and ready to think of how our story will become exciting. Now our hero character solves the problem and teaches the world a wonderful lesson. Now it's your turn. It's time to write a beautiful story using your own imagination.
If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. Thank you.